This is the decisive decade. Now is the time to act. At the University of Exeter and the National Trust, we are working in partnership to combine our research expertise in biodiversity, conservation, climate and culture, so that we apply this know-how and take decisive action. By renewing our woodlands and wetlands, reimagining our relationship with the land, reconnecting people with nature and the habitats we need to survive. Support us to make a difference that benefits nature for everyone, forever.